how to apply for a sales tax permit in Texas. This is very easy to do. You can do it online. Simply Google search for apply sales tax permit Texas and open up this first website that pops up. Now it's going to show us this website. Apply for permit via E-Systems. Allow 2 to 3 weeks to receive your permit. You can read through the information supplied here or provided on the website. So you want to click on apply for permit via E-Systems. Now, if you already have an account here, you can log into your account, WebFile E-Systems login, or if you're a first-time user and you want to apply, start managing your tax-related business more easily and all in one place, you will click on Create Profile. Now, it's going to ask you for your user ID. You will need to set a password and provide your government name, first and last name, email address, as well as your mobile phone number. And you can add an international number here. And afterwards, you will need to go through the prompts here for security questions. You will need to agree to the terms of use and verify your email. Afterwards, you just gotta follow the prompts and then you will get to the page where you can apply for your sales tax permit in Texas. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.